these two strands, like a DNA, we have to imagine. Strand 1, re-understanding India, and strand 2 is awakening us and exhorting us to now take charge and to create a future. So in that sense, lectures from Colombo to Almora actually represent the first manifesto for a bridge, which bridges the past of India and the future of India. So while he looked at the past, he was not locked into the past. He was looking at the past, but also asking us how we need to navigate from the past to the future. Because he, more than anybody else, recognized the value of the West. It is not that he was a person who said that, oh, India is great and West is bad. He didn't take that view at all. He appreciated so much of the West. He admired so many things in that. For example, once he was mentioning that I have fallen in love, and someone asked him that who is she? And he said, no, it is not a she, it is organization. So he said the way Westerners organize themselves, the way they create institutions, the way they create desire, I have fallen in love with it. So he truly valued and appreciated all that was great there. And because he had this larger view of civilizations growing through the interchange of ideas, for him, he did not get, he was not trapped by, an Eastern dogmatism in that sense. So he saw the West coming in. So with that practical view, he was telling India, now look guys, here you are. You cannot turn the clock back. You can't go back 1,000 years and try to go back to your rishis and ashramas and sit there. You can't do that. But those principles which are there are incredibly powerful. They are the things that can transform our future. So you take all that is there in the past, incorporate it, understand it, assimilate it, live it, start from today and now walk into the future. So in that sense, Swami Vivekananda's Colombo to Almora also represents the solution pathway, a kind of a bridge between the past and the future.